Hello friends, Tomodachi. Well, I'm back again this week with an opening video, and I'm excited because this is a Pop Mart opening video. So the last time I was in Japan, I went to Pop Mart, and this is the thing that I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to get a Pop Mart figure each time that I go to Japan. Well, I just started this recently, so I only have a couple of figures, unfortunately. And a couple years ago when I went, I had bought this one here. This is Akihabara series. So when I went back to Japan this last time, I was trying to find the second, like a second one for this series so that I would kind of complete some of these here. Unfortunately, they didn't have this series any longer. And so I went around the store and then looked for the one that I wanted. Now I'm going to link the video to when I shopped for this in Japan at the Pop Mart. It was in the Shibuya Pop Mart, which is a flagship store. So if you're thinking about going there, you can see the area and see how neat the store is. There's so many cute things. So I was in this quandary where I had to decide, what do I want to collect now? Because this one, so I actually saw the Teletubbies one, and it just hit home for me because my youngest son used to watch the show all the time when he was little. And I'm like, I'm going to collect the Teletubbies one, and hopefully next time I go to Japan, they'll still have this series so I can at least get the second one. Now, you can be unlucky with these blind boxes and end up getting the same one, and then I would have two of the same. But, you know, it's just like a game. You just see what you get. So anyway, for this one, I kept the receipt, and I paid about 1,480 yen, I think. Which ended up being about $9.90 in US money. So that's what I paid at today's conversion rate for this one. And here is the box up close. So I'm going to open this today just to see what I have. I have a shelf that I like to keep these little figurines on, and like little things that I get in Japan, like from the gachapon machines and stuff. So it's always exciting to open these things. It's like Christmas. I have a couple of favorite characters. Just to let you in on it, I really would like Po, which is a little red one. If you're not familiar with Teletubbies, it was just a super cute little series. I'd like to have Po or Teensy Weensy. Teensy Weensy is the purple one. There's Lala. And then there's Dipsy, which is the green one. So I'm hoping for Po or Teensy Weensy. But honestly, I'll be okay with any of them because they're super cute. So, but I do hope I get one of the other ones. Just in case they end the series, because I won't be able to add anything to it. Okay, super cute. Oh, I see something yellow for the accessory. So I might have got Lala. Oh no, maybe I did get Po. Look at the card. It shows Po holding something yellow. So maybe I got Po because here is the little yellow thing. It looks like a teddy bear. All right, let me open it. Oh, if I got Po, that would be a pretty good thing, because that actually is the main one that I always thought was cute, because this is the smallest Teletubbies was Po. And he would ride his scooter. I guess it was a he. I don't know. Maybe it's a girl. Okay, so here we go. Oh, what did... I got Po, look. I got Po. Aw, he's so cute. That's Po. I got lucky on that because if there's 4 characters, that's a 25% chance. So I got lucky on that, and I got Po. Oh, I'm so happy. My son is grown now. Matter of fact, he is traveling right now, and he is in South Korea. And he'll be back soon. But anyway, I'm wondering what he's gonna think about this. This just brings back memories for me because, like I said, he was a little kid when he used to watch this, and I used to watch it with him. And so here it is, and I'm going to show you an up-close shot of this so you can see it. And I'll put a link, like I said, to when I purchased this one over here, the Akihabara series. and also the last time when I went to Japan and was shopping for this. So you can kind of see the store and see the selection that I had to choose from, because truly there's a lot in there. And these are made really well, by the way. Look, it does stand up good, and the bear stands up well too. All right, I'm going to show you an up close video of this. Right, so here's Poe up close. And I did find out that she is actually a girl. So not a he, but a she. And she is holding her little teddy bear's hand as they're walking together. I love this. I'd give it 4 stars.